guys, I'm from work and I'm doing cleaning. I've already started actually. I had kids cleaning the house. I wanted to clean clothes, do a little bit of cleaning, especially the kitchen, but I don't have the bulb, so I forgot to get the bulb, so I need to go back to the shop, get the bulb for the kitchen and start cleaning. My parents should be here on when today is on Tuesday. On Friday they should be here, so I don't have much time to like arrange this place. And of course, I'm saying so because at the end of the day, I still have to work, not just make the house. And I still feel like there's still a lot that needs to be changed. So yeah, I'm doing cleaning. Actually, it's much easier now that the sink is here and I can easily have water here directly to the machine. So it has made my life quite easier, which we love for us. So yeah, I'm actually just cleaning this batch. I was to do even the duvet, but I don't think I have the time because I'm also waiting for a friend I should be hosting tonight. Although the person is not going to sleep, they're just here to just see where I moved to. So yeah, I need to also make supper. But I'm actually not making supper. I'm just going to buy milk. I bought sweet potatoes on my way home. So yeah, that's what I'm going to have, sweet potatoes and tea, African tea. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm done with the laundry and I want to arrange this kitchen. I want to do cleaning and the place is so dirty, so unorganized. So I'm going to do that with you. I'm not going to talk mostly. I'll just put a song in the background or maybe a voiceover if I see the need to do so. But yeah, I've already made coffee. I told you that I was hosting. I had a visitor. The person already left. And the sweet potatoes, I've already boiled them. Let me put them there. Let me put them out of my way.
Pie down.
This video should go up tomorrow. I want to finish it. Ouch. I want to vlog right now, edit it and post it, put it on public so that it can go up tomorrow at 10. Let me first of all confirm if I've vlogged it. Msifu Bwana. Amka, roho yangu amka, roho yangu amka, msifu Bwana. Usiyasahau yale ulonitendea, roho yangu amka, msifu Bwana. Usiyasahau yale ulonitendea, roho yangu amka. Atene tunge wagami. Guys, I'm finally done. Yeah, it's 12:52. I am done. I even didn't take supper, but anyway. Tomatoes, onions, spices. Here's the fridge. Utensils down there, and here you have the boxes and unga ya ngano. It's going to work for now. I will have to change foodstuffs from there. And here I have the unga ya ugali and more utensils over there. More utensils. Here are the sufuria, the meko. Yeah, that's it. That's how my kitchen looks like. Guys, it's way late. I'm just done cleaning and I'm so exhausted. I'm so sleepy. I need to take a shower. I'm not going to eat. I need to take a shower, edit this vlog, have it uploaded on public, and have it go up tomorrow at 10 a.m. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Have a good night. If you're not already subscribed, kindly do so. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much.